Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is a demonstration video for Rapleak showing how to embed a video in email. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. Now click on the video option where you can select a background based on your use case. There are various options tailored to the services you offer, such as job boards or career pages for recruiters, or different social media profiles for sales. Once you've selected your background, you can upload your video. You can either upload a file, record directly within the tool, or use one of the provided examples for a quick test. After processing the data, you can customize your video page. The first option allows you to select how the video bubble appears. You can preview how the video will look, whether you want a large bubble that minimizes the dynamic background to engage more with your prospect, or keep the bubble in the corner to maintain visibility of the background throughout the video. The last option is the full screen mode, which is great if you're sharing your screen or showcasing a presentation or client results. Next, you can personalize your video page by adding your own video title, description, button text, and the link for the button. There's also an option to include a moving mouse effect on the screen for added dynamism, which you can choose to remove if preferred. The generation process should take just a few minutes, depending on the chosen background. Once complete, you'll find the files under the My Files tab, where all your created videos are listed. This file includes information on whether the video was successfully created and the shareable video links. Using the correct links is crucial for Rapleak to generate personalized video previews. To incorporate Rapleak videos into your outreach campaigns, simply upload the file into your preferred outreach tool. When uploaded, use the link as a custom variable to tailor each video to its respective lead. Returning to the Rapleak tool, you can preview your videos to ensure the background appears correctly. At the bottom, there's an option to copy all the video links for sharing on social media or via email. Additionally, you can find a link to share via one-on-one email. I'll show you how that looks in an email featuring a Rapleak video. When a recipient views a Rapleak video, they will see their own website or social media profile in the video background as a preview. The videos are personalized for each lead, including their name in the link if that information was provided during the upload. When they click the video, they will be directed to a video page that looks like this. That's it, guys. That's how you can embed a video in your email. If you're looking to boost your cold email outreach with personalized AI-powered content, Rapleak is the perfect solution. It helps you craft unique emails that resonate with prospects, improving deliverability and response rates. Feel free to try it out using the link provided in the description below.